Hey guys, it's Lux. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a super quick video because I just found out breaking news. 1/3 of the popular group Migos, Takeoff, also known as Krishnik Kari Ball, has reportedly been shot and killed tonight in Houston, Texas. Okay, they say that Quavo and Takeoff were in Houston for an event. There was about 40 to 50 people in attendance. They were shooting dice and there was a fight that ensued. Someone pulled out a firearm and began to shoot. They say that 2 other people were struck, and Takeoff unfortunately did not make it. Officers said when they arrived at the scene, they located a large crowd and a man with a gunshot wound to the head or neck. He was pronounced dead at the scene. They say he posted a few hours before the shooting a pic on his Instagram story of him at the bowling alley. They say that they initially tried to get help and move his body. They weren't able to, so they had to just call for help. There was panic, obviously. Right now, it's just a really bad time for everyone. Everyone is really emotional. People are angry. People are upset. And bad things are happening every day. It doesn't matter if you are rich or poor, famous or not famous. It seems as though everyone's being treated the same. It really, really sucks. I'm really sorry for his family and his friends. Prayers to his family and his friends. As we all know, the Migos weren't even together as a group anymore. Takeoff and Quavo were still together making music, but Offset was doing his own thing. He's doing his solo thing right now. And in recent interviews, when they've been asked if they're going to be reuniting to make music together in the future, they didn't even give a definite answer. So this is just coming at a really, really horrible time. I could only imagine what the guys are going through. In the past, a few years ago, it was a while ago, but I went to Complex Con in California, and I came into contact with the Migos. There was some type of concert going on at the convention, and they were coming through the crowd with their security. And I just remember they had heavy, thick security. They were very aggressive. I literally remember people getting knocked out of the way. Security guards and people were literally pushing the concert goers out of the way so that they could clear a space for the Migos. So I don't know, it's really weird that this happened. There's a lot of different stories going on right now. We don't know for sure. They say that it wasn't even Takeoff that was having the altercation. It was supposedly Quavo that was having the altercation. Like I said, nothing's been confirmed. So it's just speculation right now. It's just people talking, but more details are going to come soon. We're going to find out what really happened. But ultimately, he's gone. And that's all that, that's the only thing that really matters. I feel we all need to just love each other a little bit more. We need to watch out for each other a little bit more. Everyone's so emotional and so angry right now. I don't know if it's because we just came from the pandemic, but yeah, this is just not what I was thinking that I was going to wake up to today. And I know that you probably weren't either, but this is the world that we're in right now. So we have to be safe and we have to watch out for each other. We have to be vigilant and we have to be careful with each other. So yeah, it's horrible news, but I just had to let you guys know. All right. Peace.